How to reactivate Instagram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reactivate Instagram account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So reactivating Instagram account is really simple. All you have to do is log in into that very account. Now, what you might wonder why that is because it's just that simple. Whenever you're trying to deactivate your account, you'll get the notification or you'll get the warning or even a note which says that you can log in using your account. So I'll show you guys that in a moment. But to reactivate your account, you'll need to head over to your login section for your Instagram. And there we go. Now all you have to do is type in your password and your email or mobile number or username. After you do that, just type in your password, then tap on login. Doing that will log you back in into your account. Now none of my accounts are deactivated, but let us go back and check what the deactivation says. So let me head over to my account center, then my personal details, account management, deactivation or deletion, my account, and deactivation. So let me tap on continue on deactivating account. So all you have to do is type in the password. So right here, you will notice that to deactivate your account, all you have to do is just type in your password. So doing that will deactivate your account, which is a note you'll get whenever you're trying to deactivate your account. So it's that simple to reactivate your account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.